Before you buy a dimmer switch, check this first. When I opened up this switch box, I found something that confuses a lot of homeowners. This white wire looks like a neutral, but it isn't. In this video, I'll explain what's going on and show you how I installed this Lutron Diva dimmer switch. As I pull this switch out of the box, you can see a white wire that's attached to the switch. As you can see in the back of the box, there's only one cable coming in. That tells me right there, this box does not have a neutral. What that white wire is actually the power coming into the switch. It is not a neutral. This doesn't mean that you still can't install a dimmer. You just have to get a dimmer that no neutral is required, like this Lutron Diva that I'm about to show you how to install. This dimmer is good for single pole and three-way switching applications. Let's go ahead and take the old switch off and start to install the dimmer. Now that the switch is off, I like to grab the morettes and put them on the wires. That way, when I start to install the dimmer, I don't have to be searching for them or reaching for them. They're right there. So let's go ahead and move these wires up and out of the way so we can start to put the ground from the dimmer on that screw in the back of the box. Now we're ready to attach our wires. I know that the red wire goes on that black wire, which is the load that goes to the light, and the black wire from the switch or the dimmer goes on the white wire, which is the power coming into the switch. Now after you get the morettes on like that, you always give the wires a little bit of a tug just to make sure that they are secure. Now there's one more wire you see, the red wire with the white stripe. That's only used in three-way applications. So let's go ahead and cap that off like I've already done. Let's fold these wires in and get the switch in. After we got our dimmer switch installed, let's go ahead and turn the power on, and then we can test the switch. As you can see, the dimmer is working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and follow along for more DIY and homeowner-friendly electrical tips. Again, thanks for watching, guys.